Muna na isang free throw. Free throw na kagad. Merong isa rito, improper.
Last game po tayo, last game. Just for fun and happy friend.
Sige.
Wala ko dito pang sa'yo. Kasi pinabayaran ko naman.
Kaya na pa nung nakaraan?
Oo. Sabi ko sa jersey, di ba? Yung nag-feed ba yun?
Violation. Ayun, Jawari. To Hernandez, basket shot. Ayun, marami pala silang punch dun. Ayun na. Eddie Nawed. Leading the ball. Ayun na. 14 to shoot. Pinalas. Ayun na. And number 28. Left-handed lane is good for two. Mabilis tumakbo pag nakakashoot. Driving the ball.
Yung ilalim!
Pasok Wal, 14 to shoot. 10. Ayun, the blue tap. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na. Oh, Chadi! Sublay! Dito bola. Tapik ka siya, galing sa likod. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Meron ng foul na Ginog. Number 31, Jawari. First personal foul. First team foul. Ayun, Saleh.
Sabi na kasi mag-ML na lang.
10. 3 seconds. Violation. Sige lang, ganun talaga, nasanay sa limahan Anong gagawin? Mangingitlog talaga.
Oy, namatay, oy. Iwanan mo muna dyan.
And Hernandez wanting to shoot. 10. And Chadi receiving the basket. For three. Sumablay. Ayun na. Jawari. 10 to shoot. Chadi ulit. Sumablay. Ayun na. Driving the ball. At meron ng foul. Na Ginog. Kay Labiano. Seventeen to shoot. Abilanes. Paso hinalas for three. Sumablay ayun. Offensive rebound. At meron ng foul sa baba pa lang. Meron ng foul. Ay number 10. Pushing foul. Lilipat nyo dyan yung kaya wala nang nakatambay dito. Wala kaming mautusan. Ito yung ayun na. Step in on the line. And in the ball. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan. Ayun, number 3, iikot. Ayun, jump ball. Bubukol ng tres. Sablay, Hernandez for the rebound. And Hernandez leaving the ball. Hernandez pa rin. Pass to Juarez. 14 to shoot. Hernandez. Oh, at naman ng foul. Ay tinawag, blocking foul kay number 3. And number 14, Hernandez for 3. Sumablay, rebound, Jawari for the push back. Inalas. 6-2 ang ating score. 14. Ganda ng assist.
Nice. 3 seconds. Dikit. Nice, dikit.
8.
Dikit.
Pubukol ng tres. Bang! Inalas for 3. And Hernandez with the ball. Pass to number 28. Back to Hernandez. Pass to Chadi. Open for 3. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na. Railing the ball. Back to Inalas. And Sablay. Chadi, railing the ball. Pass to number 28. Pass to Hernandez. Ikot. And one. Basket count, foul number 15.
Sab na!
Litro pa eh.
Substitution. Substitution. Oh, palit yung 5 ng dilaw. Oh, palit yung 5 ng dilaw. Oh, palit din yung 5 ng dilaw sa kabila. Ayan. Pare-pares kayo nagbayad. O yan. Mag-enjoy kayo. Just for fun. And happy friends. Ayan na. Score 9-5.
Lalim.
14. 10. 3 seconds violation. Oh, na 3 seconds na. Oh, nasanay sa 5. Shot clock 15. Baldonado. Pass to number 28. Ayun, meron ng foul. May number 24. Substitution. Sabi na nga, labas yung 5 eh. Nagpaiwang ka. Nanlalamang ka. Nandito sa blind, last draw. 4 minutes 38 seconds remaining. Ayun, basket coming from number 46. Ayun na, Conde. 14 to shoot. Ayun, bubukol, Sablay, rebound. Good ball yan. And Conde drink the ball, 10. And basket count. Coming from number 28. Ayun na. Ayun, agawa ng bola. Oy, jump ball, jump ball. Bola ng Happy Friends. Tuwag. Bola ng Just for Fun pala, sorry. Just for Fun, Just for Fun. Sorry, malis. Just for Fun. Wala bang sasali ang pangalan, batibot naman. And reading the ball. Ayun na, Conde, ganda ng assist. Basket count. Ayun, still. Ayun na. Time out! Just for fun. At lumamang na ng isa. Ang happy friend. Hindi, substitution yung kanina. Sub yung kanina. Sub yung kanina.
Just for fun, 10. Happy friend, 11.
Back to the ball game. Sandro, kamag-anak mo ba yun? Sityon, ayun, kamag-anak mo. Pinsan mo. Kaya pala. Ayun na, number 0 ang paso si John. 14. Baldonado. Ayun na, hindi makayuko. Ayun na, nalilibad. Supply, rebound.
Laban!
Binibilangan. Ayun na. Number 16, back pass. Fake. Angat. Basket down. Iba talaga pag nakaka-shoot, mabilis tumakbo. Ayun na. Paso si John. Kakahiyaan silang tumira. 14 to shoot. Baldonado, fake. 10, still. At meron ng foul na dinawag kay si John, number 05. Ayun na. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ganda ng assist. Pull up jumper is good. Ornapia. Ayun na, Baldonado. The veteran is still. Ayun na. Driving the ball. Uy, napalakas. Ornapia. Jose, namamaril pa. Pag ikaw nakatama, may tama ka rin. Ayun. Score 17-10, 2 minutes and 10.
Tatambakan ko sila.
Ayun na, sinuwed. Porten. Ayun na, bubukol ng dress. Sumablay. Pat for the offensive rebound. Basket down. Tama ba yung apelido mo, Pat? Ang payat mo. Ayun na, number 01, Bernal. Pass to Baldonado. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. And number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 1 pa rin. Ayun. Lagi niyong tatandaan yung dribble. Walang... sablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Pass play. Lagi niyong tatandaan yung dribble. Walang shoot yan. Walang bilang yan. Ayun na. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Foul number 9. Baldonado. Warning for penalty. Time to shoot. Ayun, nangat. Sablay, rebound. Nangabi. Baba na. Foul number 28. Warning for penalty both teams. 56 seconds. Bernal, pass to Baldonado. Baldonado, pull up, jumper, sumablay, rebound. Ayun na. And number 1, really fast, basket count. 38 seconds remaining, 21-10. Biglang natambakan. Ayun, tapon sa bao. Bola, Simsim. 16.8 to shoot. 16.8 to shoot. Number 46. Ayun lang. And si John. Ayun na. Open. The blue ten. At merong foul. Ay dinawag kay number 04 Napia. 22.3 seconds remaining penalty. And 2 free throws for si John. Nang tira sa blind, last throw. Ngayon, basket. He scored 21-11. 10-point lead. And Pat taking the ball. 18. Alpanta. 14. 10. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from Pat. 5. 2. And that's the end of the first quarter. Score 23-11 in favor of Happy Friends.
Lamang pang Happy Friend. 23-11.
Pangalan ng team nila, Happy Friends.
Pagka ganun kasi, yung out of bounds lang. Ayaw ko lang siyang tumakbo. Ako bahala doon sa mga out of bounds. Huwag mo lang ako. Ako bahala doon. Ang ano mo lang doon, i-adjust mo lang yung shot clock. Yun yan ginagawa. Abutin tayo ng shot clock. Tatlong game lang tayo. Nabutin tayo.
Ayun na. And Camilo for the floater is good for 2. Ay, sasakyan na nakaparking. Merong baladiya. Kukuhanin yung basura. Baka masama sa basura yung sasakyan nyo. Oh. Illegal break. Number 18. 18 ba yun? 18? 8. Maraming salamat. Nunoy Dones. Encarnacion. 14. Jack Lactan. 4-3. Ayun na, rebound. And Jamila doing the ball. Pass to Sierras, back to Jamila. 14. Ayun, naangat sa fly. Rebound, Jawari. And Jawari pa rin. Ayun na. Watch it down. Comes from Jawari for the 25-13. Ang ating score. Jamila. Porten. Uy. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 5. 2 free throws. Out of shooting yun. Out of shooting. Nantira pasok. Yung free throw niya padingding. Last throw. Sumablay lang, tapon sa baw. Ayun na, number 28. Pass to Jawari, back to number 28. Pasa Encarnacion. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Oy! And, carrying the ball ang tinawag, carrying the ball. Kay Villamar. Encarnacion. 10. Pass number 28. Ayun na. Sablay, rebound. And Jamila controlling the basket. Jamila signaling the play. Ayun lang, tapon sa bow. 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Encarnacion, pass to Hernandez. Dudukot, Sablay. And taking the ball, ayun na. Back pass to Joy. Natapon ang sabaw. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Portre. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na, Jamila. 26-13, 13 point lead. Ganda ng assist. Sablay, Hernandez. Pass Encarnacion. Encarnacion driving the ball. At meron ng foul. Ay dinawag number 25. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Encarnacion. Oh, nandito pasok. Last throw. Basket coming from Encarnacion, 26-15. 11 point lead. And Jamila dribbling the ball. Porten. Ayon still. Coming from Jawari. Pass to number 28. Pass Encarnacion. Oh, hang time. Sumablay. And Jamila. Oh, basket down. 6 minutes and 4. And number 28 dribbling the ball. Pass to Hernandez, 14 to shoot. Portre. Sablay. Ayun na, number 8. Back to Jamila. And Jamila open. Portre. Sumablay. And Jawari dribbling the ball. Jawari pa rin. Ayun, tapikan, di makayuko. And Jamila. Dribbling the ball. The blue tap. Sablay, rebound by number 5. And number 28, pass Encarnacion. Encarnacion. Angat. At meron ng foul na tinawag kay number 25. Second personal foul. Substitution. Conde and Hinalas and Carl is in. 5 minutes and 25. Oh, nang tira Sablay. Coming from Encarnacion. Lastro. Basket coming from Encarnacion. 28-16. 12 point lead. Ayun ang Conde. 14. Ayun lang. 11.6 to shoot. 11.6 to shoot. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Sumablay, rebound. 10. You know. Oo. At meron ng foul. Ay dinawag kay number 5. Second personal foul. Pupukol ng tres. Sumablay Ladista for the rebound. Pass to Baldonado. Baldonado pass sa Encarnacion. Encarnacion. Ay na. Sablay foul number 3. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Unang tira pasok, Lastro. Substitution. Ayun na. Ponde. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Ayun na, still. 5. Foul number 71, Bernal. First personal foul, 13 foul. Ayun na, bubukol ng tres. Sumablay. Labas na, labas na.
Good, babala doon, walang point guard. Kaya mag-point.
4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Encarnacion. Nabitiwan. Ayun na. Open. Sablay. Rebound Jawari. And Jawari dribbling the ball. Ayun na. Jawari pass. Baldonado inilabas pa. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Uy. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay number 07. Hinalas. Penalty. Nandito basok, Lastro, mamaya.
Tatandaan nyo, kailangan dalawang free throw pagka na-shoot nyo sa pag wala, tupo.
Ayun na.
Lalim! Baba!
Ayun, the floater, Sablay, Bernal for the rebound, pass to Encarnacion. Baldonado for the 28-21, 7-point lead. Ayun na. Lilipad, nabitiwan. Oh. Time to shoot. Pass to Hinalas, Rick. The floater. Sablay, rebound, ayun na. And Jawari pass to Encarnacion, lilipad. Time out! Happy Friends.
Score po natin, Happy Friend. 28, Just for Fun 23, Just for Fun 23, Happy Friend 28. Sinasabi ko, basta nandiyan sila, hindi tayo makawalan.
Ano na, partner?
Ayun na. Bubukol ng tres. Sablay, rebound. Ayun, lazy ring, Sablay. And tapikan, nagawa ng bola na ako ni si John. Si John, pass to Bernal, pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion, pass to Baldonado. 4-3. Overshoot, rebound, shot. And tapikan, nagawa ng bola. Oh. Ganda ng assist and one. Basket count, foul number 01. Second personal foul, Bernal. Ay, matic violation yun. Matic violation yun. Dito mama sa ring. Ayun na si John. Pase Encarnacion. Pull up jumper. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Tapikan. And hindi pa. And one. Bernal, third personal foul. Bonus shot. Top. Guzmano. Encarnacion. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Ayun, si John. Tabigan, nagawa ng bola. Oh, may foul na, may foul na. Foul number 04. Penalty. Second personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Lastro. Sablay, rebound by number 04. Ayun, pop. Sablay. Si John. Pass Encarnacion. Encarnacion and one. Basket count. Foul number 16. Sablay.
Second quarter.
Ayon Sablay. And put back by number 04, Ornopia.
Happy friend. 35. Just for fun, 25. 35, 25 po. Happy friend, 25. Second quarter.
Basket count, ganun from Encarnacion.
Sabi ko kayang kung kanina. Kung tabi mo ko ng ganito ha. Ay! Tagay naman!
May suka.
39.8 seconds remaining.
Ayoko, may suka. Kaping po niyan. Special, no?
Ayon Sablay, rebound, tapikan. Traveling.
Last 24.2 seconds.
24.2 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Chichon. Lozano. Kade Bortre. Bang! Takbong mayaman. 8. 5. Tubukol ng tres. Sablay. And that's it. of the second quarter.
Score po natin. Happy Friend 35, Jasper Pan 30. End of the second quarter. Pasensya po.
Encarnacion, open for three. Sumablay Bernal for the rebound. Pass to Jawari, 10 to shoot. Encarnacion. 5. Bernal to Jawari, the floater is good for the... Jamila Dinawed. Back to Jamila. Ayun lang. Nice pass to the referee. And meron foul. Itinawag kay number 25, sorry. Number 25. Tatlo na.
Bandahan to kahit sino makashoot pa lang. May pansiyo doon ah. Binayaran niyo yun.
Lastro.
Ang problema ka kahit sino makashoot pa lang. Sudan mag-ashoot nila palamang din nila. Lahat kamti eh.
He scored 37-34, 3-point lead. Ayun na. Jamila driving the ball. Pass to number 25. Ay. Apat ka na. Substitution. Number 25. Salin. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Pass to Jawari. 14. Bernal. Isa ka pa. Offensive ka rin. Liparan yan.
Tama.
Sale. The floater. Supply. Rebound Hernandez. Pass to Bernal. Ayun na. Jadi. Ganda na nga si good ball yan. Hernandez. Ay, traveling. Dumalaw ang bibot put. 37-34 ang ating score. Jamila. Ayun. Estil. Ayun na. Encarnacion. Igot. Angat. Encarnacion. Putter. 37-36. 1-point lead. Ayun na, Carl. Back to Jamila. To walk the shoot. Ayun, nabitiwan. 5. Ayun. Akalain mo yung binalibag lang na shoot. 7 minutes and 24, 39, 36. 3-point lead. Encarnacion. Open for 3. Sumablay. Substitution. Ayun na, Jamila. Paso Alvarez. Ganda ng dukot. Sumobra. Hernandez back to Jadi. And Jadi back to Encarnacion. Angat. Basket down. Joey Brown. Encarnacion. Push it. 39-38. 1-point lead. Ayun na, number 24. Sumablay. Rebound. Race. Substitution.
Sino papalitan na doon?
Number 24. Ayun na, Jamila. Fake. Paso number 27. Erase. Foul number 15. Second personal foul. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining starting game clock. Hernandez. Pass to Jawari. Open for 3. Hernandez. 12. Ayun lang. Still. Ayun na. Ang ganda ng assist. Basket count. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Ganda ng assist. Bernel. Meron ng foul. Ay number 27. Carl. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. He scored 41-38. 3-point lead. Encarnacion. Saving the ball. Ganda ng assist. Ayun o. Hernandez supply. And tapikan Bernel. Open erase. And Jamila. Dribbling the ball. Jamila pa rin. Ganda ng assist. Dudukot supply. Bernel for the rebound. Ayun na. Hernandez. Good ball yan. Paso number 2. Back to Hernandez. 12. Basket down. Foul number 27.
Let's go!
Ayun na, number 2. Left-handed lay. 42-41. At lumamang na ulit. Ang just for fun. Oy, Jadi, baka mapasobra ka dyan, ha? Ayun na, ikot number 04. Basket down. Ayun na, Jawari. Paso Luzano. Paso Jawari. 14. Ayun, nabitiwan. Ayun na, pass replay. Ayun na, takbuhan na. Uy, ang ganda ng pasa, fake. Race. Encarnacion, drill the ball. Encarnacion, angat. Uy, at meron ng foul. Foul number 27, substitution. Penalty na yan, penalty. Penalty. Ayun na, pasok na. Pasok yung sa sub. Pasok yung sa sub. Pre, samahan mo ng kanin yun sa akin, pre, ha? Oh. Basket kami from Encarnacion. Ah. Ayun ang number 28, Pastor Hernandez, ganda na kasi, Jawari! Time out! Happy friend!
Score po natin, Happy Friend, 43, Just for Fun, 46. Para ang dami ng fans natin, ha. Sabi na yung sigaw na.
Time out at Sesame Street. May na ako itong kaya lang mo yun. Isang sa kano. Pasok. Bola. Takbo ng bangko. Porten. Kung pagkat kaya Meron na ito.
Lagi yan.
Ten. 48-43 ang ating score, 3 minutes and 3. Ayun na, Lozano doing the ball. Paso Baldonado. Porten. Encarnacion. Angat Sablay. Tapi ka na yun na Jawari paso Encarnacion. Porten. Kanina, pansin ko kanina yung iba doon dito nasigaw eh. Ngayon dito na sa kabila.
Kahit na sino makashoot to, sila.
Ayun na, Honde. Paso back. The floater, Sablay. Oy, meron ng foul. May foul na.
Kahit sila makashoot, sigaw sila eh.
Foul number 5, Ladisla. Third personal foul.
Pag nilapag mo kasi Yossi mo dyan, parang ano na yan eh, parang trick for all.
Oy, basket dyan kami, Brambot. Oy, napasama. And basket down. Lozano receiving the basket. Lozano. Pass to number 28. And number 28 driving the ball. Ganda lang kasi. Baldonado sumablay. Ayun na. Number 28, iikot. 14. Pat. And 1. Basket count, foul number 28, Lozano. One minute and 39 seconds remaining, starting game clock. He scored 50-49. And one shot for Watt. And tie game at 50. 1 minute 39 seconds. Ayun na, Lozano. Si John bringing the ball. Pass to Jawari. Ayun lang. Substitution. Si John.
Takin ka.
Chadit!
Takin, takin! Hindi na, na-rapid ko eh.
Ayun na, Lozano. Pass to Jadi.
Tao, tao!
And Jadi doing the ball. 12 to shoot. And labis lang at uy, at merong foul. Oh. Ay tinawag kay number 16, Pat. Second personal foul. And 2 free throws for labis na number 5. Oh, nandira busok. Last throw. Sumablay, rebound by number 04. Ayon, tapikan. And number 28, Sablay. Oy! Natapon ang Zabao substitution. Ayun na. One minute and 5 seconds remaining. Alibanta. Pupukol ng dress. Bang! Alibanta for three. And Lozano drilling the ball. Lozano nakiran. Kinaliwa sa Blay. 15.2 to shoot. 49 seconds remaining.
Bola, lapit sa bola! Sino mabagod talo?
Wala pa yun, wala pa yun, wala pa yun, wala pa yun. Ayun na, Jadi, for three, Sablay, rebound. Ayun na. And basket count. Ayun na, Jadi. Paso Lozano. Paso Jadi. Paso na Disla. Ayun, good ball yan. And Alifanta, pass to number 3. Basket count. 16 seconds. 12. Lozano. 5. And Supply to 1. That's the end of the third quarter. 57-51. A 6-point lead. Ayaw, syukran katir, Sadik.
Just for
Masalama.
51. Happy
Ayaw,
friend. 57.
masyaallah.
End of the third quarter.
Yellow ball, yellow ball.
Oh, yellow ball, yellow ball. Yellow ball. Depensa kayo, Happy Friends. Oh, ito yung team ng Happy Friends. Lahat sila nakasimangot. Ayun na. Hernandez receiving the basket. Pass to Bernel. Oh, foul yun, foul yun. Foul yun. Oh, foul number 21.
Kakain ka, Jo? Kakain ka?
Hernandez. 5. Oh, Hernandez for the
Oh, set kayo, set.
tirang Alaoy na bumasok. 57-53. Ayun na, pabukol ng dress. Sumablay Hernandez for the rebound. Pass to Bernal. And Bernal dribble the ball. Pass to Hernandez. Hernandez, ayun, tabigan.
Happy first year, tsaka ano, just for fun only.
Ayun na, dribble the ball. And number 25, pull up jumper supply, rebound, tapikan. Ayun na, sumablay, rebound Hernandez. And Hernandez, pass to Bernal. Bernal dribbling the ball. Pass to Jawari. Encarnacion. 10. Jawari, the floater. Sumablay. And number 1, dribbling the ball. Ayun na, pass to Pat, lilipat. Basket count.
Upo kayo doon, oy. Upo kayo.
Ayun na, Honde. Ayun lang. Oh. Substitution.
Ako, tingin ako kay Krom. Naaaliw kami, eh.
Ayun na, Pat. Erase.
Krom, ano na dyan ako, sabi ko, patibot versus Sesame Street.
Ayun na. Back to number 25, 4-3. Tirang Kapos. Oo, kitang-kita Kapos. Jawari receiving the basket. Pass to Lozano. And Lozano dribbling the ball. Pass to Hernandez, 14 to shoot. Lubiano, 10. Ayun, nabitiwan. Anspo yun, Anspo. Pagka hinila jersey, Anspo. Montik na mapunit yung punja. Anspo yun, Anspo. 2 free throw yun, plus ball possession. Hindi pwedeng hilahin ng jersey. 2 labas kayo dyan. 2 free throw, plus ball possession.
Tapos ito.
Nandito sa Blay.
Sige na, mamaya na lang.
Last draw.
Pauwi na. Ay, yo.
Ayan, ball possession pa yan, ball possession. Substitution. Ayan na. Himalas, meron ng foul kay number 14, Gabiano. 7 minutes and 30, score 60-53, 7-point lead. 14.2 to shoot. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Sumablay, rebound, tapika, nagawa ng bola, yun. Supply, Hernandez for the rebound. Pass to Lozano. Lozano doing the ball, ayun na. Agawa ng bola, jump ball. Jump ball lang walang wrestling.
Happy friends.
Happy friends.
Happy friends ball.
Just for fun lang, ha?
Happy friends ball.
Ten. 5. Ay, double. Nakalimutan mo. Bumaldog na bola. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. 14. 10. 8.5 to shoot.
Alam nang dadrive na. Tuloy 6-6
Ayun na, Hernandez. 5. Chade. Binabanggit naman yung shot clock. Binabanggit. Nagkakahiya kay Tumira. Ayun na, Conde. Ganda ng assist. Hoy! 3 seconds violation.
Kakapasa nga lang, kanina pa naman nasa loob.
Yung kakampi mo kanina pa sa loob.
Kakapasa lang sa'yo.
Kahit kakapasa lang. Body contact. 0-7. Himalas. Encarnacion. Dribbling the ball. 10. 5. Encarnacion for 3. Sumablay. And Conte dribbling the ball. 3-on-2 situation. Ayun na. Ang Sablay. Pasa pala yun. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 14. Chadi Lobiano. Jumper ready, bonus shot. Jumper ready, bonus shot.
52-53.
Ayun na, Jawari. Pak Hernandez. Angat. Sablay. And Conde dribbling the ball. Conde angat. Basket count. Coming from Conde. And Chadi dribbling the ball. Pak Hernandez. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. 5 minutes and 20. 64-55. 9-point lead. And Conde tinawid. 14 to shoot. Yung ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from number 27, Carl. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Taking the ball. Encarnacion po rin. Take. May ball na, may ball na. Foul number 07, Himalas. Substitution. Tignan natin kung di tumulo laway mo sa pagod.
Ginusto mo yan.
Ginusto mo yan eh. Ewan ko lang. Lastro. And nothing but net coming from Encarnacion. 66-57, 9-point lead, 4 minutes and 45. Ayun ang Conde. Paso number 25. Ayun, dribbling the ball. 14. Himalas. At meron ng foul na itinawag yung number 46, blocking foul.
Dahil rin saan ko kayo na, coach ko, tama na ng tao.
Lamang na, pwede nang umayaw. Nandira pasok. Lastro. Ayon Sablay. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Encarnacion pa rin. Ayun na. Foul number 8. Ang tawag doon, Kayod Kalabaw.
Naka-box contract siguro to, naka-box contract.
2 free throws for Encarnacion. Nandira sa Blay. Lastro. Ayan sa Blay, rebound, tabigan na yun, napaganda pa, Konde. Ayun na, ganda ng assist. Oy, Sumablay. And Baldonado, ayun na. And number 46, nabitiwan pa. Oh, tapo ng Sabaw.
Yun yung mindset na gusto na kagad itira eh. Pagka nakawakan yung bola eh.
Ating parang yung bola sa linya ng atingin.
Ayun na, Konde. Oh, ang tawag doon, nagsarili. Oh. Ayun na, Himalas. Stand to shoot. Back to Konde. 6. Ayun na, pumukol ng 3. Pamatay, sunog na 3. Substitution. 3 minutes and 43, 57-70. 13-point lead. Ayun ang Baldonado. Receiving the basket. Pass to Hernandez. Back to Baldonado. May foul na. Alam na. And number 25. 5 fouls. Penalty na yan. Penalty. Nandira sa blind. Last row.
Fourth quarter. 2 minutes na pala to, 2 minutes.
Sana yung mga trace nyo. Ulit. Hindi ko pinakita.
Walang benefit sa atin.
Ano ito pinaka-weak division to?
Kaya kanila game.
And number 28 in the ball. Pass to Bernal for 20 shoot. Bernal for 3. Tirang kabos. Ayun, good ball yan. And Baldonado. Pass to Sicton. Wala, nakatayo lang, nakalateral. 2 minutes and 20. Konde. Pass to Zale. Ayun, Chadi. Dribbling the ball. Ayun, pass to Lozano. Back to Chadi. 10. Si John, the running shot is good for zero. 74-61. Still coming from Baldonado. Nice game. Substitution. 74-61. Ligpit na. 11.3 is the shoot. Kung ako sa inyo, ayaw na ako. Bernal. 8. Baldonado open. Basket down coming from Baldonado. And Conde. Meron ng foul. Itinawag. Okay, number 9. Baldonado penalty. Penalty ang penalty. Jo, ba't kasi ni-schedule mo sarili mo dito? Oh, nang tira pasok. Ha? Oh, minsan naglaro ng basketball, nagsarili pa. Last draw. Ayan, supply, rebound, tapigan, ayun na. Oh. $11.2 to shoot. 11.2 to shoot. Ayun na. 8 and 5 seconds remaining sa ating game block at meron ng foul na itinawag kay Jadi. Two free throws for si Jadi, 4 na foul. O nandira sa Blay. Last throw. He scored 75-65, 10-point lead, 1 minute and 4. Ayong basket coming from Conde. Patayin na natin ang ilaw, madam. Ayun na, Jadi Portre. Sumablay, ayun na. Baldonado, nagagawan pa. Magkakampi. Jadi Portre. Bang! 48 seconds remaining. 76-68. Konti na lang. Ayun na, Conde. Trailing the ball. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Ayun na, pubukol ng tres. Sumablay. Ayun, na-rebound pa. Oh, 10. Ayun, nabitiwan. Ayun na, Baldonado. Basket count. Aba, 76-70. 16.9. Kung NBA yan. Kung NBA.
Si Pitong.
7. 5. And that's the end. Ayan na, congratulations. Happy friends, kamayan tayo. Lipat kayo sa kabila, kamayan tayo. Ayan, lipat kayo sa kabila. Ayan ang sportsmanship na tinatawag. Ayan. Lagi kayo nagkikita dito sa court. Ayan.